most glowing facet of an alloy product is that it loves purity of sourced metals and other ingredients. So when we make solders of superior quality from pure raw materials, they too assume some humanness in character. They make durable bond of strength, like enduring trust. When many source raw materials from local unreliable sources, we cherry-pick ours from best miners. Of course, not before they pass our stringent tests for quality control. Located at a bustling industrial area in the capital city of Delhi, NP Solders has built a strong brand equity on robust chemistry, unparalleled skills in metallurgy and enduring trust of our customers through over 3 decades.
हमारी कंपनी लास्ट 35 ईयर से काम कर रही है इन सोल्डर बिजनेस एंड वी हैव डेवलप्ड आवर सोल्डर्स विद आवर ओन टेक्नोलॉजी। तो टेक्नोलॉजी को जो भी हमने डेवलप किया है इन हाउस, ये टेक्नोलॉजी को हमने डेवलप किया है और मोर देन 250 कंपनियों को हम लोग ये सोल्डर सप्लाई कर रहे हैं।
At the helm of the production process is our proprietary technology and a team of dedicated scientists. From workforce, machinery, to the management of NP Solders, all are keyed up to best practices and a positive work culture, leading to performance, quality, and service to customers. Our warehousing unit is partitioned into different labeled sections so as to make the storage and retrieval task systematic, simple, and organized. As a world-class manufacturer of soldering materials, we make the complete range as per international standards, used in a wide range of industries from automotive, consumer and precision electronics to telecommunication, etc. NP Solders is one of the very few companies in the country who manufacture solder pastes. As an eco-friendly company, we manufacture latest generation of lead-free solder paste, which is RoHS compliant.
हमारे पास ऐसी टेक्नोलॉजी है कि हम सोल्डर पेस्ट की फ्लक्स वी आर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, वी हैव दैट टेक्नोलॉजी एंड वी कैन मैन्युफैक्चर सोल्डर पेस्ट इन हाउस.
Company has technology to formulate solder paste also to meet unique specifications.
NP motto has been to provide quality products and services. We are striving on this path.
Today, NP Solders is a leading manufacturer of solders in the country. With an obsession for purity at the core of our existence and many feathers of recognition in our cap, we are unwavering in our core commitment to purity of raw materials and unadulterated chemistry. That is, we mix ethics in our metallurgy.